Hey, how's it going? This is Roy from Rate My Funeral. That was Rate, by the way. So welcome along to this video. It's a review video. Now, I've always wanted to do review videos and I've never got round to it. But then what inspired me was the fact that a company contacted me. Company's name is Minger, and they contacted me and they said, would you like to have a play with our LED strips and perhaps do a video on them? And I said, well, as I am a little bit obsessed with LED lighting, yes, I would very much like that. So they went ahead and they sent me this LED strip by Govee, and it's the Dreamcolor that supports a and I'm quite excited to get this thing opened and tried. You know, I think this is going to be a nice bit of kit, judging from the packaging, because so far this looks pretty nifty. I set up this other camera so that you can see, by the way. There you go, look. This is here so that I can see, to make sure that I'm definitely putting it in frame, you see. It's very hot today. Okay, yeah, I do actually really like LED lighting. I've got a bit of a thing for it. It's all over the house. You can see that I've got some behind me on here. And one of my plans is I'm going to redo this whole room, reorganize it, and I'm going to integrate this somewhere into my layout somehow. That's the plan. I don't know exactly how well that'll be yet, because obviously I haven't tried it yet. So let's give this a try and see if it's actually any good. So first thing, as I mentioned before, thanks for choosing Govee. So the first thing I mentioned was that obviously the packaging is really nice. Now, I have bought a lot of the cheap LED strips from Amazon and eBay, and yeah, I have to admit the packaging on this is really nice. So that's a really good start. And it's quite nice in here as well. Okay, so what have we got? We've got a user manual with, whoa, all these, how are they expecting me to know all these different languages? I'll have to only read the English section. Okay, so yep, we've got a user manual, we've got a little card thing, warranty I guess, installation instructions and some details on mounting, nice, and the unit, the lights itself, which I can already tell, that feels nice, that does feel really good quality. Okay, so what's in here? Okay, so it has a little control unit. 3 buttons. Okay, so power something something, and then that obviously connects into the power through there, and that's mountable on the wall. And there's a little hole there. Now I wonder if that's a microphone or something. Maybe. I'm not sure if these are sound sensitive. That will be interesting. There's a little bag. These are just mounts by the looks of it. Not quite sure. Yeah, there's some form of mount there, and a good old-fashioned UK plug. Just what you want to stand on first thing in the morning when someone's left it upright like that. But that's a good quality plug as well, to be fair. It's not just like a generic one. That's an own make type one. So that's, yeah, this is good. This is nice. Okay, so let's pop the bits we don't need. Do you know what? I will keep hold of the manual because you never know. Let's just do that, and we'll pop that out of the way. So, as I say, the tape itself feels nice and interesting. If you look at that, it's 3-pin. Now, all the stuff like what's behind me is the 4-pin, and that means that it's just the same colour all throughout, and you can control the brightness or what colour. Whereas this one, where you've got the 12 volt, yeah, you've got 12 volt data and ground, that means that, in theory, each one of these lights is individually addressable, I believe that's the term, which means that you can have different colours moving along the strip. So that means that these are potentially really advanced, actually. So that's really quite exciting. There's, yeah. Let's get some power. Now, in case you wonder what this is just a power bar so that I can have an easy plug-in. Boom. Like this. Whoa! Oh, yeah, there we go. Sure enough, look, because we can see they're turning on and off. Now there's a big sign here saying, do not roll up when using. Now I've got this rolled up, so I'm already contrary to the big warning sticker. But do you know what, let's just, actually it doesn't say, it says do not roll up. It doesn't say do not unroll. So I'll unroll it a bit. Let's get a bit more of it out. There we go. Wow. That's really cool. Yeah, that's sound sensitive. Oh, look at that. Right, let's have a look then. So, that I guess turns on and off. Okay, next button down. Okay, that's your solid colours. And you keep pressing it to go through them. Nice. The colours are good as well. I don't know how well this is showing on the camera, but these are really bright. They're vivid colours. It's good. Yeah, nice. And then the bottom button. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, so this is some sort of like special... Oh, look at that. Some sort of special mode. Oh, that's so cool. Boo, doo, ba, ba, ba. I want to put some music on, but copyright and all that. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to have a play with that with some proper tunes later and see what happens. Did I just say proper tunes? Oh, I love it. Okay, brilliant. Whoa. Okay, so it's got a ton of functionality. We know that. The next is it can all be controlled from an app. So let's give that a go. Let's install the app. Okay, so I have installed the app. Sorry I don't have this in a nice picture-in-picture thing. I'm not really prepared for this. I don't even know if you can do that. I assume you must be able to. I will look into that one day, and maybe I'll use that in the future. But anyway, so this is the app. I've got it installed. I've made I've registered a profile. So the one thing I will just note during the sign-up process is that when it asked me for a password, it told me that what I'd entered was invalid. So therefore, obviously, it doesn't like special characters or something like this. So I had to use a different password. So it was a bit strange that it didn't tell me exactly what I'd done wrong, but it worked after I put in another password, and it's now fine, and I'm now logged in. So next we need to add a device. So we hit the add a device button, I guess, like this. Then we need to choose the one. So we've got a Dreamcolor with Alexa. And boom, look, there it is. It's already listing. Nice, okay. Connecting.
Sorry, I don't know that. I do have a skill you might like.
Shut up, you.
It's called living with Echo. Want to try it?
What's she on about? No, shut up. Okay, so it's now asking me to name my device, so let's call it Light Strip, just to keep it easy. Ah, there we go. She's already found it. Okay. Okay, so now it's asking for my Wi-Fi. I think it's picking up the Wi-Fi that the phone is on. Yeah. It's not letting me select a Wi-Fi to connect to. It's just picking up the one that my phone is on and trying to use that. So I'm going to change because I don't want it to use that particular one. And we'll just try this. It's waiting for the connection. Connection succeeded. Okay, so we're on the Wi-Fi. Cool. Okay, boom. That was really easy and really, really painless. We're now there. So we can now see we've got Light Strip. We can do the brightness, and sure enough, that's reflecting. Oh, come on. There we go. DIY. Ah, so we can choose what colors, choose a subsection. Wow, okay, so there's going to be a lot here. I think that's going to need some time for me to play around with. Yeah, I'm not sure. Please fill in the name. Okay, so no, I just set that up. Okay, nice. Circulation, apply, and now it's moving around. Okay, so now you can set up your own stuff on there, and that's quite easy. Okay, I like that. We can choose music mode. Yeah, okay. Color, and then we can choose the color from the list. We can go warm or cold. Nice. So we can get through the app. We can get any color we want. That's awesome. We can set up scenes. Okay, so sunrise, sunset. Candlelight, blinking, snowflake. Oh look, and it goes kind of in. Oh nice. So that's really cool. So there's some good little scenes on there. Okay, and then let's just put it back to color mode. Right, and then we'll just try it. Alexa, turn the light strip off. And it worked. Alexa, turn the light strip on. Make the light strip red. Alexa, make the light strip white. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to be honest, that genuinely was so easy to do. This is a really, really nice bit of kit. Cannot go over how bright it is. The colours are gorgeous. The user controls are really easy. The fact that it's on her who shall not be named, means that I can include it in my scenes, so that when I just switch on my lights, it will come on as well. And it's really nice. The only thing is that it feels so nice. I kind of don't know that I'd want to cut it and solder it, because I'd be too worried about damaging it. I mean, I'm sure it would be fine. Like I say, I've done it with loads, but I just feel like this is nice. I don't kind of want to try and butcher it, but yes, all in all, honestly, I can say this is a really nice setup. So if you're interested in grabbing it, I've got a link in the description, so you can go and check it out on Amazon. And honestly, if you're wanting some light strip to put somewhere, this is a nice one to do it. This feels really good. I have a feeling that this is going to be nice once I fit this somewhere permanently. I'm really excited to get that done. So that will be the next video. I will reorganize in here, and I will place this somewhere, and I'll do a little update on how that goes, and we'll see. Yeah, so all in all, really good, really good. Yeah, and if you like this video, please feel free to continue about your day. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Okay, cheers. Bye.